Hello, Year 7s. So in order to complete Benchmark 1 on Mixtures and Solutions, you'll need to create an Edpuzzle account, and I'll show you how to do that now. So you'll need to open up the Schoolbox page for today, click the link here. That will open up the login page for Edpuzzle. Now you don't have an account, so you'll need to click in the top right where it says Sign Up. Then you'll need to hit the blue box, Sign Up with Edpuzzle. You'll need to enter your first name, you'll need to enter your last name, and you'll need to enter a username. I'd like you just to use your first and last name with no spaces. Pick a suitable password, and then you hit Join Class. And my username was already taken, so let's try another one. I'll add a 12 at the end. There we go. And there's a video assigned, and I'd like you just to watch the video and move through the questions. Good luck. Once you finish that, you've done Benchmark 1.